Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone's time is precise and the time zone is correct, because Authenticator codes depend on clock sync. Once done, open Google Authenticator and view the account showing wrong code. Try again so you can compare timestamps. Make sure you have recovery codes or a backup 2FA method ready before changing anything. You will act now. Check system time, reboot the phone to force a network time update, and keep the original device nearby for verification. Next, you resync and run deeper checks because codes are time-based. Discrepancies cause failures. First, enable automatic date and time in settings so the phone uses network time, then open Authenticator and request a new code. If that doesn't fix it, compare the OTP counter method. If you or the service used a counter-based key, reconfigure with a fresh QR. Also verify the Authenticator app is up to date. Clear cache or reinstall to remove corrupted data. Finally, relink the account to regenerate valid codes. Go to your account's security two-step verification, remove the existing Authenticator entry, then add it again by scanning the QR or entering the manual key. This ensures the app and service share the same secret and clock basis. Test a login immediately to confirm success. If you still see wrong code, try again, use your recovery codes, alternate backup method, or contact support with account verification. This one troubleshooting step usually resolves persistent mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.